Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the area of this region. Let's consider the area of this region is a square centimeter, and this is a square of side 10 centimeter, and these are the two half circle of radius 5 centimeter. Now find the midpoint of this side. So this is 5 centimeter and the radius of this half circle is 5 centimeter. Now the intersecting point of these two circle and joining this midpoint, this is also 5 centimeter because it indicates the radius of this circle. So it is 5 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. Similarly, the midpoint of this line and the intersecting point of this true half circle is also 5 centimeter. Now this is a square of side 5 centimeter and this is a quarter circle with radius 5 centimeter, and this is also a quarter circle of radius 5 centimeter. So the area of this square is 5 square and the area of this quarter circle is 1/4 of radius of a full circle of radius 5 centimeter. So the area of this region is pi r square. So pi and the radius is 5. So 5 square. This is the area of this segment. Similarly, the area of this quarter circle is also 1/4 of pi times the radius 5 square. So this is 5 square is 25 plus 5 square is 25 times pi. So 25 pi over 4 plus this is also 5 square is 25 pi over 4 is equal to 25 plus 2 times of 25 pi over 4. So 2 times of 25 pi over 4 is equal to 25 plus 25 pi over 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the area of A is total area of the square of side 10 centimeter minus the area of this region. So area of big square is 10 square minus the area of this. So 25 plus 25 pi over 2. So this is the area of the region A, centimeter square, is equal to 10 square is 100 minus 25 minus 25 pi over 2 square centimeter is equal to 100 minus 25 is 75 minus 25 pi over 2 square centimeter. So this is the area of this region. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.